Well, what's up guys, welcome back to today's video that is an entire week dedicated to DIY face masks, natural, organic, at-home skincare. Now here on my channel, you guys know we talk all about luxury skincare. We talk about things that are $30, $40, $50, even $100, and half the time they're full of nasty chemicals. So this entire week we are talking all about DIY at-home skincare, face masks, face scrubs, all those things that you can make at home with natural and organic ingredients. So whether this is the first, second, or fifth video you're watching in this series, make sure to click the entire playlist. I'll have it linked all down below. And if you're new to my channel, don't forget to hit subscribe down below and give that little bell notification a click. Without further ado, let's dive right into today's DIY face mask. Let's do it. Okay guys, so for today's video, we are doing a very simple 3-ingredient DIY sugar scrub. Now this only contains olive oil, sugar, and a big juicy lemon. Now you guys know I love exfoliating, so I am so excited to try this DIY at-home exfoliator because I'm totally hooked on luxury exfoliators, so I'm super excited to see if this cheap alternative works. Now I'm just using extra virgin olive oil, and I'm going to go ahead and sprinkle in a little bit of sugar. This is some organic sugar that I picked up. And then I'm just going to take a big slice of lemon and squeeze it right in here. Ooh, lemon. All right, so my concoction does not look that thick, so I'm going to go ahead and add a little bit more sugar right in there. Ooh, I wonder what this tastes like. Once you have your mixture all mixed up, you just want to go ahead, swirl it around. I'm just going to apply it with my fingers, scoop some up and apply it right to the skin. So I'm just going to massage this all into the skin. Did you know that olive oil dates back to ancient times? Back to Cleopatra, she actually used olive oil to remove her makeup, which actually stands true today. You can use olive oil to remove your makeup. So this is great for the end of the day. If you're wearing makeup, works as a double cleanser as well as exfoliator. Olive oil is also packed with antioxidants and vitamins. It fights bacteria. It's great for your hair, your skin, your nails. Ooh, I feel like I could just massage my skin forever. And adding in that squirt of antibacterial lemon also helps to heal acne. So if you have acne or pimples, adding a little bit of lemon is great into your skincare routine. Lemon also works as a fantastic skin brightener over time, and it's packed full of vitamin C and citric acid. It can even help remove blackheads. So when you think about it, this pretty simple 3-ingredient exfoliator is actually packed full of antioxidants, acne healing powers. Wow, and it's so simple. I'm just gonna go give my face a quick rinse in the sink. We'll come back, we'll take a look at the results, and let's chat then. Guys, I'm a little bit, wow, I'm a little bit speechless actually. My skin is super smooth. I am telling you, the texture along my forehead, along my nose is so smooth. My skin feels so well hydrated. And you know what? It does look a little bit more toned, a little bit more tight, brighter, whiter. I can't believe that this 3-ingredient sugar scrub is an antibacterial, can help fight acne, can hydrate the skin, is packed full of antioxidants, full of vitamins. I feel like my life has been a whole joke up until now, and I'm questioning myself as to why I've ever bought exfoliators in the past. Now I did make sure to wash my face with a foam cleanser afterwards, just to make sure I get all of that oil off. I don't want to clog or congest any pores. Now I will say guys, definitely be careful when you're using sugar as an exfoliator. You want to make sure you're not too rough on the skin and make sure you're not damaging it. So make sure when you're doing this at home, you just go in very light, circular motions. Don't press too hard. You don't want to risk damaging the skin. This DIY sugar scrub is definitely something I'll be doing again. That is a wrap on my DIY at-home sugar scrub, lemon, honey, olive oil. So simple, at home, natural, packed full of antioxidants, containing no harmful chemicals. I can't believe it's taken me my whole life to try out this super simple exfoliator. Guys, I'm so excited for you to check out this entire playlist on DIY face masks and at-home skincare. Make sure you check out the entire playlist linked down below. I love sitting down and chatting with you about today's beauty and skincare products from all over the world. If you like this style of video and you like these DIY face masks, let me know by giving this video a big thumbs up. And if you want more of me in between now and next video, you can always find me on Instagram, Snapchat, Twitter, and Facebook. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in tomorrow's DIY face mask video. Bye guys!